If you need help applying for accommodations for the ACT, I've already written letters in English and Spanish that have permission slips to release information, as well as requests that the ACT has created. If you ever need any help with that, go ahead and just ask me. I'll share anything I have. And then we have Utah Aspire Plus. ELs are encouraged to use the embedded tools. There is Spanish translation available. The testing coordinator at each of your schools does have to input that. So if you want a student to have the instructions in Spanish, the testing coordinator needs to be aware so she can request that. They are also allowed extra time. And if they speak a language other than Spanish, they can have a dictionary or directions translated into their native language. Again, that might change next year. For RISE, individual teachers are not allowed to make these types of decisions for assessment accommodations. It has to be done well in advance, and there is a Utah published form with accommodations that are allowed. Again, they change often, so just each year, if you want to Google Utah accommodations for RISE, you'll have a more current updated list. RISE is less accommodating, mostly because their embedded tools are useful for all students. All right, the why behind our data. We collect data for lots of reasons, things that are obvious, like grades for report cards. Data can be used in our RTI groups or PLCs. We can use data for individual interventions and modifications. We can use data to refer a student for a learning disability or for speech. We can use it to hold kids accountable, to help them monitor their own progress, and to help guide our own instruction. And I'm just going to click on this here so that you can see the link. And I'm going to add this article to Canvas, so take a look for it. And I want you to watch this video. It will be listed as part 5 of session 7.